Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Canon printer error code 5800. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having any issues with your Canon printer here, there are going to be a few things you can do here to probably solve this issue. So first is you want to turn off your printer. So you want to go ahead and press the power button to turn off the printer, but keep it plugged into the power source. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do next is we need to enter service mode. So you want to hold the power button as well as the stop or reset button at the same time. Now, while holding the power button, press the stop reset button twice. Now, release both buttons and your printer should now be in service mode. Now, you'll see the power light actually glowing. Now, next is you want to press the stop and reset button 4 times. So go ahead and press this 4 times. Now from then on, this action actually resets your waste ink counter. Now you want to go ahead and turn off your printer completely. So go ahead and turn it off, and from then on, power it back on to see if the error is resolved. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.